Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Earlier today, I made a video where I made a 3D looking gear. And when I did that, I used the shape tool to take a rectangle to this shape. And while I was sitting there watching, I thought, I just wonder if you can hold down the Shift key or the Alt key or the Control key to make both nodes move at the same time. So I'm going to go to Object and convert this to a curve. And then I'm going to grab my shape tool. I'm going to grab a node. And what I did in the previous video, I figured out that this thing is 10. I made my nudge factor like 2 inches. And I grabbed the shape tool with the corner. And with the shape tool, and grab that node, and I hit the left arrow key, grab that one, and hit the right arrow key. But I was wondering, is there a way you could do it, without doing that? I thought if you select both and hold down the Shift key, it doesn't work. If you hold down the Control key, it doesn't work. If you hold down the Alt key, it doesn't work. And then I was just kind of looking around. I've always used most of these tools, but right here, reflect nodes horizontally. Turn that on and you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of white. And then I'm just going to move that and look what it does. And you can do the same thing vertically. Grab both those nodes and align nodes vertically, or reflect nodes vertically. And look at that. So I thought, I've used, like align the nodes, select all nodes. I've still really never figured that out. I've used everything up here, but I've never knew what the reflect nodes vertically meant. So I thought that doesn't really warrant a video, but I thought and it's kind of hard to see that, that they're on or off. Those are grayed out, now they're on, now they're off. It's kind of hard to see, and if you did this a lot, we could go to Tools, Options, Customization, go right here to Commands, and just type in reflect nodes horizontally. Okay, there's no shortcut for it, so we're going to add a shortcut and call it H. The H is not being used anything else, and assign it to it, and then say OK. Then go back to Tools, Options, Customization, and just start typing, and we'll do vertically. We'll go to the shortcut. There's not a shortcut. We'll hit V. It's not being used. We'll sign it and say OK. Now, if I want to, so whenever you have a box, you have to turn it into a curve for this to work. Because if you don't use a curve, you get this, which is cool. But if you convert it to a convert to a curve, which is Control Q, and you grab both these, and then you hit the H key, and look what happens. You go back and select these two, and you hit the V key, and you get that. So you've made 2 shortcuts. If you're going to do this a lot, it's not that big a deal. You can, one, it'll teach you how to, and see, nothing's highlighted. It'll teach you how to draw a shortcut. But when this is highlighted, you have them up there. But you have them right here if you just hit H, and then you can do whatever you want to with them. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.